Now we're gonna take a little walk around. Nomadic Cooling has never looked worse. You'll notice that every desk in the bullpen is actually full at the moment. So come on back. Amy made cookies. I also want to point out that Raz is also not here for the video because he refuses to be in them. So every time we do a video, his seat is empty. And now Jesse's actually looks like his is empty too. It looks like we have a few people that are unhiding at the moment. So currently we're hiring as much as we possibly can. We're definitely looking for more Victron specialists, more electronic specialists. We're actually looking for more engineers and technical specialists as well. It takes a very special person to be able to find out what's wrong with an electrical system from halfway across the United States. Now, the saddest thing around here is my office has been taken over, and then somebody has written, "Not Van Genius," on my door. Now, I don't know if that means that they are saying that I am not a Van Genius, or if they are saying that it is not the Van Genius's office anymore. Not only have I lost my office, but Kenny has lost his soundstage. The whole soundstage is gone. We have a ton of Nomadic refrigerators here in stock at the moment, and brand new to Nomadic Cooling. These solar panels are sweet. They're all black, which is a deal breaker for me, but they come in flexible panels, hard panels. They're now in stock. They'll now be, I don't even know if they're up on the website yet, but they'll be sold with the electrical kits. We have 190s, 100s, flexibles, hards, but once again, they're nice because they're all black and they don't have that ugly silver trim around them. What else do we got over here? It's so sad that this used to be our soundstage and now it's disappeared. Will we ever get another one, Kenny? I hope so too. Okay, right now since the launch of the X3, the amount of work going on back here in this room has just drastically increased. Now, Isaiah's done a great job keeping up with all that. But just so you know, every unit gets tested, then packaged. Then there's a sticker that says, isn't there a sticker that says packed with love? Oh, there is a sticker. This is a sticker wall right here. There is a sticker that goes on for every unit that says packed with love. We used to kiss the stickers. We don't do that anymore. Ever since, you know, the big C, we stopped, you know. That was a joke. We put all of these stickers on the box to go out the door. These are shock stickers right here so that if the box gets dropped, it'll actually, it gets activated basically. So we have stickers all over everything to make sure that it gets from us to you without getting damaged. Because by the way, when it gets damaged, it just costs us money. We don't actually get money from the shipping company. So we try to avoid that at all costs. We're also gonna be working on an X4 air conditioner that's capable of over 30,000 BTUs. That unit has been designed, it's been prototyped, it's not ready just yet, but it's amazing. Now, not everybody has the battery capacity to run an X4. It's just not there, so it's not for everybody. We can become the specialist in this field of custom, high-end air conditioning systems that can allow you to go further in comfort. So I gotta be honest with you, I am thirsty for comments in the, you know, down low. Put them down there. Is that down there, Kenny? So put it down there. Anything you have to say, I'll take it, especially if you have bad things to say about Kenny. That always makes me chuckle, you know? That's always fantastic. So guys, if you want to go further in comfort with Nomadic Cooling, go to our website, Nomadic Cooling, and click on a button. Talk to you later. Bye.